How to install YouTube TV on Sony Bravia. So if you go ahead and to your all apps and check that you'll only have this over here, there's no Google Play or something, that's because your TV is not an Android TV, and whatever you have is all you get on the selection over here. So if your Sony Bravia does not have the option to download Google Play Store and you can get YouTube TV over there, then there's no way you can actually install it directly from the TV. But there are alternatives in order to be able to watch YouTube TV on your TV, specifically the Sony Bravia. So over here, if it's not an Android TV, you have alternative methods. First one is to use a streaming device like Roku. So you're gonna have to get this device in order to set this up and install YouTube TV from the Roku channel store. The Amazon Fire TV sticks, so you can plug in the Fire Stick and complete the setup in order to download the YouTube TV app from the Amazon App Store. You can use Apple TV with the similar methods, or a Google Chromecast with Google TV, again with the same method where you download YouTube TV and view it from using the device. You can also cast or screen mirror from a mobile or PC. So from Google Chromecast, you can plug it into your TV and connect it to Wi-Fi, or you can use screen mirroring with Wi-Fi Direct or HDMI. So if your browser supports Wi-Fi Direct, you can do that, but you can also connect your phone or laptop using an HDMI cable or a USB-C to HDMI adapter. And you also have this as another option, which is to use a gaming console. So if you use the console, you can install YouTube TV on these consoles. But anyway, hopefully this alternatives does work, and if it does help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.